For years, there was only one king of UI design software, and its name was Sketch. It was the tool that almost every designer used to build websites and apps. But then a new challenger called Figma appeared and completely changed the game. So what happened, and which one should you be using today? This is one of the most important comparisons to understand if you are getting into design. In this video, we are going to do a direct comparison of Sketch and Figma so you can make a smart choice about which tool to build your career on. Let's start with the most fundamental difference between them. Sketch is a native application for macOS. This means you can only use it if you have an Apple computer like a MacBook or an iMac. It does not work on Windows computers. For a long time, its strength was that it was a very fast and powerful piece of software that lived directly on your computer. It also had a huge library of plugins created by the community that could add new features to it. Figma took a completely different approach. It is a web-based tool. This means it runs primarily in your internet browser like Google Chrome. Because of this, you can use it on any computer, whether it is a Mac, a Windows PC, or even a Linux machine. This cross-platform accessibility was the first major advantage that opened Figma up to a much wider audience of designers and their teammates. The second and most important difference is collaboration. This is the feature that changed everything. In the world of Sketch, if you wanted to share your design with another person on your team, you had to save your file, send it to them, and then they would have to open it on their own Mac. If they made changes, they would have to save a new version of the file and send it back to you. It was a slow and sometimes confusing process. Figma's web-based nature allowed for something revolutionary: real-time collaboration. With Figma, your entire team can be inside the exact same design file at the exact same time. You can see each other's mouse cursors moving around on the screen, making changes and leaving comments live. This one feature completely changed how modern design teams work together. It made the process faster, more transparent, and more collaborative than ever before. So which one should you choose today? Because of its accessibility on any computer and its powerful collaboration features, the design industry has overwhelmingly chosen a winner. While Sketch is still a fantastic and powerful tool used by many talented designers, especially freelancers who love the native Mac experience, Figma has become the undisputed industry standard. If you are a new designer looking to get a job, you will find that almost every single company now lists Figma as a required skill on their job postings. Learning Figma will open up the most career opportunities for you. It has the largest community for support, the most learning resources, and it is where most of the collaborative design work is happening in the professional world today. All right, that's it for this comparison. I hope this gives you a clear picture of these two amazing tools and helps you understand why Figma became the leader it is today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.